on. Okay, you can start now.
Small steps to success. A Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu said, a journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Huzaimi and I'm 11 years old. I am from Kids Public Speaking Bangsa South. To many, success still seems to come suddenly, but we don't see or appreciate what it took for them to get where they are. But if you take the time truly to think about it, you will find that success is usually a small step away. Just take it one step at a time. We were at a youth camp and given a tough assignment to hike through the jungle. It was scary and dark. Our camp counselor words keeps going through my mind. Just take it one step at a time. Don't worry about what will happen later. That helps me focus on the journey rather than the fear. So with that, I found some courage to complete the hike. We conquered the very difficult journey. The journey of 1,000 miles must begin with the first step. So you see, we took a small step to succeed along that hike. Together, they added up to hundreds of thousands of small steps. But we might chosen not to take the first step. We might have stopped at any point along the way. That would have meant we would not completed our journey. There were also obstacles along the way, but with each small step, they were overcome. There were frustrations, fears, and uncertainties, but with each small step, they were crushed. There was hardship and danger, but with each small step and focus on the desired destination, it was conquered. So you see, success is no mystery, and it just needs confidence plus determination to get where you want to go. It takes only one small step, many followed by many more small steps to succeed. Thank you.